Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make one of my favorite potato salads. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. For today's recipe, I am using red potatoes, and I like to go in and remove any part of the potatoes that seems bruised. So just go in with a knife and just peel those off and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Now add them to a large pot of boiling water. After 15 minutes, go ahead and check your potatoes with a fork and make sure that they are fork tender. And as you can see, they are ready. Pour them into a strainer. After draining your potatoes, add them back to the pot. Add some of that pickle juice. And give it a stir. After adding the pickle juice, allow it to cool completely. It's time to chop our celery. Now using a kitchen shear, go ahead and chop your green onions. Chop your pickles. To make the dressing, in a large bowl, add your mayo. Now add your sour cream. Add your mustard. Add some dry dill weed. Some parsley. Black pepper. Salt. And some garlic powder. Give that a good mix. This looks good. Now go in with your celery, green onions, chopped pickles. Give that a mix. After your potatoes are cool, go ahead and add them to the dressing. And give that a mix. And make sure that you don't break your potatoes. Just like so. Now go ahead and stick this in the fridge until you are ready to use it. Hello guys, so my zesty creamy red potato salad is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? This potato salad goes really well with some big trout, salmon, even burgers and steak, guys. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.